If I had just 1 minute to talk to you, I wouldn't waste it trying to comfort you with some cheesy Instagram quote. I'd go straight to the point. You're holding yourself back, and deep down, you know it. I'm not here to attack you. I'm here to remind you of what you already feel inside. But still, you keep hiding behind excuses. You know you have massive potential, yet you keep living like a side character in your own story. The problem is that you're waiting to feel ready. But here's the truth. You'll never be ready enough, and you already know that. Your perfectionism is paralyzing you. You act like there's unlimited time, but there isn't. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start anyway. Shaky, scared, unsure. Keep going, every single day, with or without motivation. It disappears the moment you need it most. What you need is action. Action that builds trust in yourself. Trust that tomorrow, it will be impossible to keep ignoring your own progress. Your future is shouting at you right now. And when you finally listen, you'll see it was worth it all along.